Hey there, Jess here from Head to Toe Health. We're going to run through a sit to stand exercise. This is really good to get really specific with which muscles you're activating when you're standing. So it's a good one to do every time you go from sitting to standing, but also as an exercise as well, or as a starter for a squat. So you're going to place your feet and your knees hip width apart. Knees at 90 degrees, and from there, standing up, you're going to thrust through the hips. So your main focus is to get the hips up and forward as you go. One thing along the way is to imagine as you're standing up, your sitting bones are squeezing together, and then as you're sitting down, your sitting bones are separating. So it's a really nice way to make sure that the glutes are activating, other than the other muscles that can get you standing up. So this one makes the sit to stand really specific with those muscles.